Hey everybody, this is Brad from Johnson Small Engines. We're working on a John Deere D140, and I just want to show you that Briggs and Stratton for some reason does not like to put pre-filters on their air filters any longer on a lot of their machines. So it's very important in my eyes that you put a pre-filter on this. This is a 22 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. You got cover here we're going to take off, just a couple wing nuts, and they usually stay on the cover when you take them off. We have a cartridge. This has never been serviced before. This is the first time in the shop, and as you can see, there's no pre-filter on it. And you can see how dusty this is. If you tap it, there's a lot of dust coming off of this thing. It's pretty much, I'm not sure if we can clean this or not. If you look real close on the air filter, this is the part number, 6620508. That'll give you the part number for the air filter. I'm going to show you part number for the pre-filter. It's over here. It's a 797704. So what I did was I looked up this number on the internet, and then I was able to find a pre-filter for this air filter. If you look this up under the Briggs parts breakdown, they don't even show a pre-filter, so you have to kind of do a little bit of research on it. So I have a new air filter here, and what you want to do with the pre-filter, it's like a circular cylinder pre-filter, is you want to put a little bit of oil on it. Not much though. I usually put a little bit of oil on my bench. This is a stainless steel bench. I'll tap it a little bit, tap it on this side a little bit, just put a little bit of oil on it. This will catch probably about 75% of the dust coming through that went to this air filter. And then you open it up and you're going to slide it over, and you got to be careful you don't have too much oil on it, because you don't want the oil to go in on the air filter itself. But just this little cylinder that helps keep the dust away from the away from the air filter. Push it in. It actually kind of just goes right in, pushes in, push down, and boom, you're done. Put the cover back on it. I usually clean out inside here and clean out around the cover area. But if you keep this clean, your air filter will last a lot longer. Thanks for watching.